Hey guys, CassyMonique back with another video, and this is update for day 11 and 12. Today is day 12, and when I got on the scale this morning, I was 159 pounds. Day 11, I was 160, but I stayed 160 for 2 days. Like I said before, the weight loss is going to be really slow, and it's so annoying because I just want it to go as rapid as it does when you're bigger. But, once you start getting lower, your body wants to hold on to the weight. And it's also an amazing thing because my body's just protecting me. It's trying to keep me alive. It thinks that I'm starving, so it's holding on to the weight. So I can't be too mad at it because the body is an amazing thing. And when you really sit and think about it, how smart the body is and the things that it does to protect you and keep you alive and heal itself, like childbirth and stuff like that. When you think about it, it's just like, our bodies are equipped with everything it needs to survive. So that's what my body's doing right now. It's kicked into protection mode. So anyway, as far as my symptoms, I haven't had a bowel movement since I did the castor oil when I first started the fast. So I think I'm going to take a few more doses of that to, see if there's any more gunk in there that needs to be cleaned out. But I still have dry mouth. My breath has been horrible. I haven't wanted to talk about it, but there's nothing I could do to stop the horrible smell of it. My kids always want to get in my face and stuff, and I don't want them to smell mommy's horrible breath. I don't want them to always think, oh, mommy has bad breath, or remember me as having bad breath. So that kind of sucks. As far as the weakness goes, I'm still weak, and a lot of times when I wake up in the morning, I feel good. I wish the whole day could feel like the way I feel in the morning, because later on in the day I start to get that weak spell, and then when I get up, I get that dizzy spell where I have to sit back down for a few minutes and take a few breaths. And walking up the stairs is just it's horrible. It kills me. Sometimes I wish I had a one story because I'm just annoyed by the stairs, especially while fasting. Um, I think that's the size of it pretty much as far as what my symptoms are. I've been sleeping okay. There's some times that I wake up, but for the most part, I think I've been sleeping okay. I've been having vivid dreams that seem real until I wake up, and I'm still. That's my son in the back. I'm still watching a lot of food porn. Yesterday was really bad. I was on Grub. Was it Grub? One of those apps that deliver. Not Uber Eats. I don't think it was DoorDash. That's the one that I signed up for. I was on there, and I was looking at all of the restaurants on there. And then I was thinking about Mexican food, authentic Mexican food, Mexican tacos with a side of rice and beans. Then I was thinking of nachos, and then I went on Yelp and I was looking at this particular restaurant that they have in my area, and I was looking at the pictures of the food that people had posted, and my mouth was just watering. I'm like, oh man. Then I was looking at burgers. There's all these recipes I want to try. I've been saving in my Facebook. I'm like, yeah, when I get off this fast, I'm going to make this. Knowing good and well when I eat, all these cravings are going to go away. Well, hopefully they do, and I probably won't even end up making the recipes. Who knows? I might. But yeah, besides that, everything is pretty much the same. Um, Overall, to be on my 12th day, I feel okay. It's it's not. I guess I'm getting used to it. I won't say it's not as bad, but I just think I'm getting used to the hunger now, and I'm still cooking daily for my husband and cooking for my kids. That's not going to change, and I think I'm dealing with that better than I was in the beginning. So I'm still on track to go um, for a whole 2 weeks. I'm still debating on what I want to do because I got to get to my 150 goal weight, and after that, my next goal will be 140, and I might just keep if I continue to feel okay, I might just keep on with the snake diet fast until I get to the 150. And then maybe I'll take a break and eat, a little teeny tiny, salad or something. And then maybe I'll juice fast after that, or maybe I'll go back on the snake diet fast. I don't know. I'm just in a hurry to get this weight off. I am determined, and I am going to do it. And I'm going to keep posting these videos because they are really, really helping me. They're really helping me, even though I'm not getting many comments and, you know, many views. It's helping me. So, anyway, that's all I have for today. I'll update again in the next few days and let everybody know if I made it or not, which I'm sure I'm going to. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon, and thanks for the support. Alrighty, bye.